You can see I'm doing a full front end rebuild on the Super Beetle here. Part of that is installing new wheel bearings. So that's what I got going right here. And this video is going to show you how to pack a needle bearing, how to get it all greased up before the install. Alright, starting out, got this all purpose grease right here. It says it's for wheel bearings and disc brakes. So just get a good bit, put that on the inside of your hand. Some people just do this with their finger, but I find this a little bit easier. And the way I do it is take the conical side, the pointed side down, just grab it, and you're going to start kind of scraping it into these needle rollers. Some people do it real quick. I like to do it slow, push pretty hard so it's less of a mess and gets more of it in there each time. And you just kind of keep scraping it through. You can see it starting to get packed on this side, see it starting to come through, but we're looking for it to come through up on the top. That's how we know it's gotten all the way through. And right there you can see those starting to come through. That's what we're looking for. Basically just do this all the way around the bearing. Alright, we got it all the way through, all the way around. Just take a little bit extra and do that all the way around. Make sure it's packed in on the top, all smoothed out. And whatever's left, just take it, spread it all around. And I'm gonna go ahead and give it even more too. Greased up, there we go. That's how you pack a needle roller.